Money, 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 money. Money. Let's talk money, YouTube money, all right? In this video, I am going to give you the details of how much money I make as a small YouTuber. Results may vary. Results might have you shook, but make sure you please watch till the end for all that and more. It's Crystal with the Cash Compass. All right, welcome back. I am here to teach you all the things that you should have learned in school about money, but for whatever reason, they forgot to mention it. Please be sure to subscribe because we talk about everything from personal finance to investing into the economy. Let's get into this money. So happy Juneteenth for my people. And before I get into the nitty gritty, please let me know if you guys like these videos more routinely. I could probably post one maybe every month or so you guys can see how my income is growing on here and what techniques I'm using to grow my channel. If it's something that you're interested in, let me know in the comments below. Thank you. So for those who don't know, there is a process to get monetized. You don't just turn on your camera and boom, there's money. Of course, I wish that was the case, but there's levels to this, okay? You need 1,000 subscribers and you need 4,000 hours of watch time in 1 year, okay? The 1,000 subscribers is period. You just need 1,000 subscribers, not in a year, but 4,000 hours in 365 days, okay? Which if you do the math, that basically means that people have to be watching your videos for 11 hours a day for a whole year for you to get monetized, which sounds nuts and it sounds impossible to get to, but it absolutely is. YouTube grows exponentially, so I don't want people to lose faith. And if you are interested in how to grow your YouTube fast, click this video up here because I gave you guys tips on how I grew my channel. I mean, honestly, 10,000 subscribers, most of that came from a 3-month period. So you'll want to check that out. For me, it took almost a year to get monetized. The first 7 months of which I only had 300 subscribers. And since 2020, I went from 305 subscribers to at this point, almost 10,400 subscribers. So yeah, I mean, it grew very nicely. But the growth at first was at a very glacial pace, okay? It was a little bit hard to keep going, but you know, like I said, YouTube grows exponentially. So I went from getting 300 subscribers in a 7-month period to at some points I can get 300 subscribers in 1 day. So on March 26th, I got the 1,000 subscribers. And from what I've seen, it seems like a lot of people have the same experience. So when you get 1,000 subscribers, it's like YouTube just starts really throwing your videos out. So I had like 1,000 subscribers on March 26th. And then like by the second week of April, I was already at 5,000 subscribers. So it literally just blossomed. So I got my 1,000 subscribers in March. By April 4th, I was already able to monetize. It took almost 2 weeks for me to actually get approved and accepted into the YouTube partnership. So I was officially able to monetize on April 17th and I turned monetization on April 18th. Once you are eligible, YouTube will send you some paper in the mail. You gotta do this, you gotta do that, and then boom, you get paid. How do you get paid? You get paid because of advertisements. So you can put advertisements in the beginning, middle, or end of your video, depending on how long your videos are. I've seen people say that you have to watch the video, the whole entire ad in order to get paid, but there's no way people are watching all these ads, okay? So for me personally, I think it does help if you watch the entire ads. So if you guys do want to support me, please watch the whole ads. But even if you don't, I do think I get a little bit something. I mean, I don't really know. I haven't found enough information on that to speak on that with confidence, but apparently if you watch all the ads, that is a way to show the biggest support and it's free. Just a little bit of your time is all I'm asking for. You get paid monthly. That's it. So you got to budget this money. So if you're looking to be a full-time YouTuber, you'll want to make sure that you watch my other videos. I have plenty of budget videos because you know, sometimes for some people, the psychology is different. If you only get paid once a month, it's kind of like, oh, I gotta make this money stretch for a month. So yeah, once a month, around the 21st of each month or so, you get your check and it goes, you know, right into your bank account. So let me take you over to my computer in the analytics and let's take a look at this money. So this is the YouTube analytics kind of back end page. So you can kind of see what's going on with my money. And as you can see here, my CPM is about $19.17 per 1,000 views. So what that basically means is that for every 1,000 views, I would get almost $20. But I don't actually keep all that money. YouTube takes 45% and they leave me with 55%. So I will get 55% of that $19. But the CPM can change for anything. I mean, it can change by day, it could change by video. Even the same video, it could just change depending on, I don't know, I guess the advertisers, right? Even though it says 1917, that is not necessarily for every single video, every single time. So in here, for example, you can see there's some videos that are actually $34, $35. Let me see. Sometimes I see some that are really crazy. 37, 45. So you see, it's dramatically different. It depends on what video. You might get something better, you might get something that's worse. So it depends. Finance and education channels in general do tend to have a higher CPM, probably because the advertisements are a little bit more expensive. So it just depends on your niche, but I think that finance gets paid pretty well. I have been monetized, like I said, since April 18th. So I've only had really one full month of pay. April was only about 2 weeks, and then I had the whole month of May, and then we have June, which is obviously still loading, but let's go through it. Okay. All right, so here you can see my monthly estimated revenue. This is pretty much on point. Even though this is estimated, this is what I'm going to get paid. So April, the first 2 weeks, or I guess it was 17 days. Those 17 days, I got paid $249.98. Let's just call it $250. The month of May, I got $800. I mean, you guys, I don't know. Obviously, I'm not the richest person in the world. $800 is a lot of money to me. I probably put in anywhere from like 10 to 15 hours a week on these videos. So, you know, it's not a lot of time. And remember, once you actually put these videos out there, that's it. They will keep on making money for you while you're sleeping, while you're eating. You know, no matter what, these videos are making money for you. So it is a blessing, honestly. So $811 in May. June is $287, and this is now what, June 14th. But it's important to know that there is a lag. So even though I'm recording this as of June 14th, it is actually only recording every revenue as of June 12th. And while I'm here, let me just show you guys, you know, how much money I make pretty much a day. So $30 a day, 28. I mean, it kind of varies. Sometimes it's like, it goes up and down, obviously. So it just depends. It tends to go up when I posted a new video, of course. But yeah, it'll vary. And this is as a small YouTuber. Obviously, as you grow your channel, this will increase because there'll be more people watching your videos. So if you are interested in doing YouTube, I mean, just turn the camera on, press record. You will get better. You will get better lighting. You will get better camera systems, but just do it for free, okay? I did not have anything fancy. I used a camera that I already had. I only recorded in daylight. Now I have, you know, lights, camera, action, but there's still more improvements that I can make, obviously, but I'm just kind of, you know, I'm piecemealing it up. So if we just look kind of like at the lifetime of my channel, first of all, you see I didn't make not $1 for a long time. I mean, almost a year. You have to be willing to do this because you truly enjoy it. I absolutely love doing these videos. I absolutely love talking to you guys in my comments. I love the community that we have here. So it was easy for me to make these videos, but obviously it's even easier that I'm getting monetized for it now. But baby, I mean, there was no money being made, okay? Then it just kind of shot on up here. So in total, I have made what? In total, I have made $1,300, and that is not even 2 months of being monetized. I got monetized April 18th. This is June 12th. So I still have like about a week left before I see my full 2 months of income. But to me, that is an amazing amount of money. It can definitely change people's lives. It supplements your income. I mean, it is great. And then what else would be fun to show you guys? Let's do my highest earned video so far. Okay, so the video that has paid me the most is why you should never pay collections, which if you haven't seen that video, you can definitely check it out up here. But that has paid me almost $400. Mind you, I made this video when? December 17th, okay? It just started going nuts out of nowhere. I'll show you the analytics for this video real quick. And this kind of speaks to the other point that I was making in my other video. Just post the videos. It might not get a lot of views right now, but it can just go parabolic, you know? So you just keep on posting. So as you can see, flatline. Video was dead with a T at the end, dead. Then, I don't know, it just turned up, okay? Boom, 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 boom. And same story for the revenue. It just kind of turned up on us. So that was my highest paying video. And, what else can I show you guys? I think that's about it. All right, I think that is it. If you guys want any more information on monetizing your videos, and maybe I didn't go in more detail, let me know in the comments below, and I will make an updated video. I think I will do these routinely, especially if you guys like these kind of videos. So please let me know. But overall, I am extremely happy with my growth. I am so thankful for all you guys for supporting my channel, always coming back and leaving amazing comments. It really makes my day. I don't get to all the comments, but I do try to read every single one of them, and I appreciate you guys from the depths of my heart. It's been a great journey. It is great money. I will keep putting money back into this YouTube channel. I do want to do giveaways in the future, so let me know what you guys would be interested in as far as giving things away, and just talk to me, say hi. That'll do it. If you like this video, then of course please like this video and share with your friends and subscribe. And if you got nothing else going on, you know what I'm gonna say. Go ahead and binge watch me. And until next time, keep your money up.